this media briefing is in regard to joining of some of the important persons from BJP to Tipra. And with these few words, I would like to request Honorable President first to address the meeting.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Respect to our chairman, some other. Let me welcome them and congratulate them. They are Mr. Kumar Halam. This is Mr. Kumar Halam. So he holds the state committee and presently block chairman of this DURGA CHOWMANI ADUNG. And number 2 is S.K Darlong, learned man, 0 miles. He is also minority Mothha district president. And some other minority Mothha president, Mr. Logi, and one more friend, Mr. Khorok-Nwi, S.K Mothha president. So these are the 4 friends we have. So Tipra Mothha is open to all president, extending my heartfelt that we have been so friends today, each of us. We wish that the media is very good weapons of instrument the citizen of our state who wish to bring various issues in positive way. So today also I will request everybody to explore the ongoing exercise of encouraging people of the party from different organizations and different sections of the community. And we believe it will continue, and we have many other information, and we are trying to proceed and go ahead in whatsoever manner we have to face in adding more and more important pieces in different parties. And today we have our women forces, youth forces are also with us, who are actively working, exerting their strength and their wisdom, that we continue in peaceful manner, wherever people are resisting, undemocratically. We still restrain and try to keep non-violence way for the movement, so that we want to make a state of peaceful coexistence with all kinds of people of the state. So once again, I thank all of you so that we can share the joy that bring this event to various channels of YouTube and local newspaper, national newspaper, even it goes outside the nation Thank you so much. Thank you. I can offer to the chairman, Marcus, Neta, that's what I see.
Thank you, friends. I would like to welcome all the leaders who are joining us, especially Mr. Kumar Halam, Mr. Darlong. We have Mr. Mujib, we have Mr. Riyan here. The idea, हमारा idea क्या है कि टिप्रा मोथा सबके लिए है. टिप्रा मोथा has a clear direction that we are fighting for a constitutional solution for our people. And Tipra Motha, till the time we have no understanding in writing with anyone, we are willing to go out and fight on our own. It is a very clear statement. People like Kumar Halam, Mr. Darlong, were associated with Mr. Vijay Kumar Rampal. ये अभी नहीं, पहले भी they were together in TLD. बीजेपी में गए थे, लेकिन आज वो टिप्रा मोथा उन्होंने वापस आने का उन्होंने एक डिसीजन लिया है. क्यों लिया है ये डिसीजन? क्योंकि आज हमारे टिप्रासा लोगों को समझ में आ चुका है कि आप सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ज्वाइन करने से आपका रियल सोल्यूशन का समस्या का हल नहीं निकलता. आज हमें एक फुल एंड फाइनल सोल्यूशन चाहिए फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. इसी के लिए मैं सबको अपील कर रहा हूँ कि अपने बारे मत सोचिए, अपने पोस्ट के बारे में मत सोचिए, अपने एमएलएशिप के बारे में मत सोचिए, अपने पोजीशन के बारे में मत सोचिए. सबसे पहले अपने तोहफा के बारे, अपने टिप्रासा के बारे में सोचिए. बहुत लोग लालच से, मैं उसको लॉलीपॉप बोलता हूँ, बहुत लोग वो लालच देखकर दूसरे पार्टीज में जा रहे हैं. लेकिन आप देखिए कि वो जो दूसरा पार्टी जो किसी को लेने की कोशिश कर रहा है, वो क्या ऑफर कर रहा है, कॉन्क्रीट में क्या ऑफर कर रहा है, कॉन्क्रीट में असली चीज क्या ऑफर कर रहा है. अभी तक मुझे सिर्फ एक दो शब्द का बात मालूम पड़ता है, डेवलपमेंट, मोर डेवलपमेंट, मोर डेवलपमेंट, फाइनेंशियल पैकेज, मोर फाइनेंशियल पैकेज. लेकिन आज तक किसी ने स्पेसिफिकली नहीं कहा है कि हमारे टिप्रासा को, हमारे बुबाग्रा नागरिकों को क्या मिलने वाला है. तो मेरा लाइन एकदम क्लियर है. वी वेलकम कुमार हालम, मिस्टर दारलॉन्ग, मिस्टर मुजीब मिया, अपने रियाम बाबू, मैं सबको वेलकम करता हूँ. लामसो को भाई कहा आप लोग आए हैं और मैं आशा करता हूँ और आप देखेंगे आने वाले एक महीने के अंदर और बहुत लोग हमारे टिप्रा मोथा में ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. मैं आपको सबको बोलने वाला हूँ कि टिप्रा मोथा अपने लोगों को धोखा नहीं दे सकता है. जो हमारा कमिटमेंट है वो कमिटमेंट हम पूरा करेंगे. और इस बार अगर हमको लगा कि कोई जो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि हम लोग छोटा सा पार्टी है, बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि हम लोग चिकन पार्टी है. ये छोटा पार्टी भी अपना गांव में, पहाड़ में और पहाड़ के बाहर भी हम अपना जमीन में जो पावर है, जो अपना अधिकार है, उसको हम क्लियरली दिखा सकते हैं. हम लोग पीछे हटने वाले नहीं हैं. हम लोग रेडी हैं. वी आर रेडी. We may be a small party, but we are not going to be intimidated by anyone. We may be a small party, but we have a big heart. We may be a small party, but we know how to fight. We may be a small party, but the last time elections were held, we won. So we are ready. If people come with us, most welcome. We love everyone. We are not against any community. We welcome every community. We welcome every religion. We are there for secularism. We are there for unity. We are there for all communities. But we will stick to our commitment towards our. I would like अगर कुमार हालम जी आपको कुछ बोलना है तो आप good evening সবাইকে নমস্কার আজকে 27 তারিখ তিন মাস আমি মনে করি আজকে আমার নতুন বার্থডে নতুন জন্মদিন তো প্রথমে আমাদের এই হলে উপস্থিত আমাদের নেতা শিল্পী বুবাগরা ওনার উদ্যোগে আমরা আজকে সামিল হলাম এই রেসপেক্টেড আমাদের টিপ্রা স্টেট প্রেসিডেন্ট কুমার হালাম আর আমাদের সঙ্গে আছে আমাদের রেসপেক্টেড আমাদের এমডিসিগণ মিডিয়া বন্ধুগণ আর আমার সঙ্গে আছে মাইনরিটি মোর্চা ডিস্ট্রিক্ট প্রেসিডেন্ট মাইনরিটি মোর্চা মন্ডল প্রেসিডেন্ট এসটি মোর্চা মন্ডল প্রেসিডেন্ট সবাইকে আমার আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন জানিয়ে আমি বেশি বলবো না আমি তো হাম্বাই যন্ত্র এবং তিনি আরো মান্দাত মানে বেলাইন আশা খাইও আছে মানে অবংখা ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি आं 2014 सालाव आं एमप्लय दंमोन आं चाकरि रेजिगनेशन लियो आं Phai Kha 2015 सालाव सातलं डेमसरा प्रसेसरा आं मारि तो ओ समय ऑल त्रिपुरा सारा त्रिपुरा 2 হইতে 3% बीजेपी तो ओ समय आं सातलं डेमसरा प्रसेसरा 3 नम्बराव आं तो अपनी सिमी ताबुगब्दी ini yang Tipra Motha 1 घंटा sekarang ang BJP teman तो kami bawa pegang ang BJP lo hami ya केवल hami ya BJP tamu saja सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका विश्वास अब मानियो 50% मानियो 50% ang minus point ron ang family men ongka khansa 70 বছর আঞ্চলিক দল কোনদিন খানসা আবাস কোনখানে তো যখন তিনি হানি মানি তিনি বুবাগরা তিনি মহারাজা তো খানসা আওয়াজ যখন তুইসা টিপ্রাসা খানসা ইভেন টিপ্রাসাইয়া হিন্দুস্তানি মুসলিম নন টিপ্রাসালো খানসানে দিক দিকি তো অবনি বাগে চুন বুবাগরা নো সুবানা ভাইয়া বুবাগরা নো রূপ থাকনা ভাই বুবাগরা নো অনুমতি না হই বিনি অর্ডার না চুন সামন্তান তো অবনি বাগে আংসাও টিপ্রা যারা তিনি হালাম রিয়াং যারা যারা কি নাই বা নন एसटी को नाई आशा खायो जोतनो इ लामा कहमो इ सामो कहमो तुम जॉइन फेमा हाय खाना उठो तो तुम समय नाइसेङो जरा जबन फाइनाय तुम तामो फाइनाय अब निजे को तुम वास फाइ आंखोनो बीजेपी बाय वालाया सुप्लाया कैसानो आं नुखा बुबाग्रानि हामजाखौ बुबाग्रा चिकन मोटर जासाय खाया पार्टी जासाय खाया थानसा इ थानसा के आवाज खाया ना नेशनल पार्टी ना विरोधी पार्टी ना आंचलिक दल तो तागलाई पिसिबि तुम थानसा तुम Phai Kha कैसानो नामा तिनी एसटी नन एसटी बागो थानसा और थानसा तुम जय मुक्त फेना बागो तुम बुबाग्रा नो रुखारो एवं तेसो तुम तामंगनाय जरानि अवस्था शिक्षानि आंखोनि
Darlong, District President, Minority Mocha.
My name is S.K Darlong from 48 Khorok-Nwi constituency, and I had been in the district in Bharatiya Janata Party, Minority Mocha, as a district president. But on 20th of April 2022, I have resigned. I have given resignation from my presidency post. And today I have come here. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Chairperson Bubagra of this MOTHA party, regional party, and our respected our President MOTHA regional party, and us MBC and the supporters and the workers of this MOTHA parties. Everybody, I welcome them and thank them to have this opportunity in my joining in this party. First of all, I would like to say that the question can be raised by everybody. Why you have resigned such a big post in the district? But you see, everybody in organization or in parties, simply we don't work or join. But when you have to leave from that party, there will be some reason. And when you are joining, there will be some reason or objective, vision and goal that everybody have got. But after joining more than 4.5 years, what I have learned in the parties, in Bharatiya Janata Party, whatever promise has been given to the people are implement only 30%. More than that, I would like to say that here, what are those promises has given to the people is not sustainable or cannot depend on those projects or work. What are the main projects and which people can enjoy and development can take really and it will sustain in the future. Those things are just I want to mention something there. To increase the regas wages, something for 10 rupees, 50 rupees or 20 rupees will not develop the people. And raising of this old pensionate and other, when they increase by 500 or 600, by giving them, especially those who are in ADC, for the STs people and for others also, we can look for development, we can depend or not in those projects. But what was promised? The people of Tripura, those who are especially living in ADC, we expect and demand for our more power in ADC. Financially, direct fund we want to get from the center and territorial state. All those things have been promised. Even from the beginning it was promised that CM will be the ST from ST people. This is a very strong promise. Just bring it the government of this BJP. We brought it, everybody. It may be in different parties, those who are there. But still that all those issues and what promise has been given to the people come together and own the BJP parties. But whatever they have promised has been all in vain. Nothing was given. And when member of parliament election came, at that time again another promise. None of the ST people so far MP has been elected, but nobody got central minister. In the center, nobody got minister. But if you won the MP election, we'll surely give. That also in front of everybody, not only me. But we saw that it is done in opposite way. Not in the east side, but it has gone to the west side. And all those promises, if we really look, this is really the great loss for the ST and for those who are living in ADC people, non-STOs as well. Especially what I want to say that thing, because everybody should know. And another, why I am joining in this party, because this party name itself, Khamsa, itself speak that where there is unity, there is peace. Where there is unity, there is development. Where there is unity, there is strength. Then there should be very big strength. And if we go there and support, everybody want development, then unless and until we are united, we cannot achieve anything whatever we want. That's why in this party I am interested to join so that everybody can gain and bring that development to the all over people. That is my objective, and today I am speaking in front of everybody. That is my objective, vision and goal. There will be, when there is development, there is peace. When there is peace, there is prosperity, love, and everything is there. We are in one family life, brotherhood. All these things will be achieved in the future to come. That's why in BJP, I don't say that particularly I don't have any enemies or with anybody, anything, I don't have any problem. But still then, if we look the work of the parties and how it is going on, so you cannot lie on them. Whatever the promise is, all in vain. So what is the use of being pushed or in the stage today? I am very much grateful and happy to be in our midst and accepting us to be the worker, to work hard, to give this opportunity to me. Thank you very much.
If there's any question, please.
Mr. Darlong has raised many allegations that he was getting the national party. We have seen that today that Union Minister of State, he has said that when people started getting the services that are long due, so it must be time to make very fast CPI. He also found reducing current bills.
What do you want me to say to Sakina Bhumi?
He's an MP and Minister.
So, if I am demanding something which is unconstitutional, shouldn't I be arrested? If I am asking something which is breaking the law, then I should be arrested. There should be an FIR against me for demanding greater Tipra land. But everyone knows that my demand is within the framework of the Constitution of India. Unless the government of India, अगर कानून हिंदुस्तान का सरकार एक नया कानून बनाता है कि आप ये डिमांड त्रिपुरा में नहीं उठा सकते हैं, पूरा इंडिया में उठा लो, लेकिन त्रिपुरा में अगर आप उठाएंगे तो आपको जेल में डाला जाएगा। जब तक ये नया कानून पार्लियामेंट पास नहीं करता है, मेरा अधिकार बनता है कि मैं अपने संविधान